So what I've done today is I rented a truck from Home Depot, and right now I'm rushing to get all the plywood into the bus. So here we go. All right, so that's all completed. All all 8 pieces of the 1/2-inch plywood is now in the bus, and I'm getting ready to drive back and return this rental for the cheapest price. See you there. So I only got charged $20 to my account for that rental, and the plywood, a little bit expensive, but you know what, whatever. And at the same time, I'm just gonna get some coffee and drive back to the bus. So what I'm doing now, since I had to put a broken lens on my camera again, because I'm still waiting for Amazon to deliver me one, even though it's been late for 3 days. So we'll see what happens. But now I'm just looking and seeing at all the plywood that I got, and I think this is going to be good for the walls, because 4 each side would be pretty good. Yeah, so you know what, I'm gonna go space out one side and see how it looks. All right, here we go. So 4 sheets can do all this, and yes, I have to cut it and everything, but I'm gonna have to cut it basically almost in half for each sheet, and then just add like a little layer on the top, and I get to do the other side, and that's 4 sheets, so I got 8, so that's 4 extra sheets, and then I'll have a good, let's say 1/5 of each sheet to use after that. So that'll help me with the cover on the wheel well and anything else I need to do. So I think that was a pretty good buy. And yeah, I got 1/2-inch plywood. So even though I really don't need support or anything, that's good that it's not 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch plywood. So it's not paper thin. Yeah, so all right, sounds good, cool. And I get to wait for the lens to this camera again. All right.